Our grand challenge is making solar energy economical, and we need you to help make it possible. Making solar energy economical is important because fossil fuels are limited and have detrimental effects on our environment. Solar energy is an enticing alternative due to the fact that the sun is reliable, sustainable, and can produce energy with minimal impact on the environment. However, solar cells are expensive to produce and install, causing them to not be widely used. One main factor driving up cost is the silicon used in the cells. The silicon has to have a high purity or it can hinder the efficiency of the cells. A second factor is the absence of cost-effective storage. The current storage are large batteries that are expensive and have short lifespans. One way to bring down costs would be the implementation of new materials. One solution would be to use materials thick in one dimension for absorbing light and thin in another direction for the charges to travel short distances. This could be done with cells made with tiny cylinders or nanorods. Another factor hindering the efficiency of the cells is the fact that energy production can be interrupted by cloudy weather and nighttime. A Stanford professor proposed a system that relies on the ability to store and retrieve heat, cold, and electricity to meet demands at all times. The heat gathered in rooftop solar collectors could be stored in soil or roots and used for heating homes. Excess electricity could be used to make ice, which could be used for cooling later on. He even proposes that this underground storage system could be cheaper than batteries. Another possible solution would be to mimic plants' mechanisms of capturing sunlight using photosynthesis. Plants store the sun's energy in chemical bonds that can be used as food or fuel. This process could be replicated by humans and is the idea behind hydrogen fuel cells. The sun's energy could be used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. After splitting, the hydrogen can be stored for later use. This could help solve the energy storage issue and provide energy to consumers 24/7, 365 days a year. However, splitting water is difficult and requires some advancements in technology. Lastly, one MIT graduate proposed to make cheaper materials more efficient. This could be done by using really small semiconductors called quantum dots. These nanoparticles are attractive because they can capture a wide variety of the sun's wavelengths and can replace bulky and rigid silicon. However, they are less efficient than the commercially available cells on the market today. With advances in new material development, energy storage capabilities, mechanisms of energy capture, and redesigning a power grid, solar energy has the potential to provide the United States with more of its energy needs. We hope that after watching this video, you want to help make solar energy more economical in the United States and throughout the world.